How do we feed everyone in the world? With the Delta model, SNI has modelled the global food system, asking, does all of the food produced provide all of the nutrients required by all of the people in the world? But Delta does not ask the question, what should I eat as an individual? Instead, it asks the question, how do we as a global population ensure that everyone is well fed? What has SNI research found out about dairy, and does dairy play a central role in the food system and our diets? Delta modelling has shown us some startling facts. 87%, over 9 billion tonnes, of all the food produced in the world is plant. 13%, 1.5 billion tonnes of food comes from animals. At the point of consumption, around 75% of food is plant and 25% from animal sources. Milk represents about 8% of all food produced. Of all the food in the global nutrient data used in the Delta model, milk is the largest contributor to the supply of calcium, vitamin B2, fat, and the essential amino acid lysine. It is the second largest contributor to the nutrients phosphorus, potassium, vitamins B5 and B12, and the essential amino acids leucine and threonine. It is the third largest contributor to calories and protein, and the nutrients zinc, vitamin A, and the essential amino acids cysteine, histidine, methionine, and tryptophan. Of the 29 nutrients included in the Delta model, milk ranked as one of the top 5 contributors for 23 nutrients. This comes with only 7% of our dietary calories, demonstrating the nutrient density of milk. Delta modelling let us look at the waste of individual nutrients. Surprisingly, 91% of all food and nutrient waste was plant food in origin, and only a small amount of global waste was from dairy. Therefore, reducing dairy waste will not increase available nutrients very much. Trying to solve the puzzle of feeding the global population becomes nearly impossible without nutrient-dense foods like milk. But it is not the whole answer. There are nutrients that milk is not a good source of, like vitamin C. Those nutrients must come from plant foods. The global food system is plant-based, with 3/4 of food consumption from the many and diverse plant foods. But for nutritional adequacy, there is a need for our diet to be optimised with nutrient-dense, animal source foods like milk.